So now let's learn how to do the same basic operations but using the library SimpleITK. So to load an image, we use the function SITK.readImage. We pass the path of the image. This function requires the pixel type using the same library. We have to define the pixel type. Unless you need a specific type, you can use float32 and you'll be just fine. Now let's print the variable to get the basic information. We have to run previous cell. The output contains a bunch of technical stuff. We can open this and there is more here. We need more concise information. So we will skip this and use a custom function show SITK image info that you can check it out in the helpers file. We press enter and we get basic information in a format similar to ANSPY. If you notice, there is a slight difference in the precision, but it's the exact same image as before when we were using ANSPY. Now let's see how to get the numpy array using SITK. We call the function SITK.getArrayFromImage. We pass the image loaded with SITK. We press enter and we get the numpy array. Here's the type and here's the shape. You might have noticed that this shape is different from the shape we obtained with ANSPY. The reason is that both libraries have their own orientation when loading image. We will talk about this in next videos, but don't worry, by now it's the same image. Now let's see how to plot an image using SITK. SITK has this function SITK.show. If we try it, we will get an error, and this is because SITK show requires an external dependency. We don't want to deal with external dependencies in this course, so we will skip this and let's use our good explore3d array function instead. So we pass the array we already obtained it with the previous function and press enter. There we go. Yep, so we can go slice by slice. Now, do you know how to load MRI images? Get basic information, get the numpy array, and plot it in an interactive way. That's it by now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.